Tesla CEO Elon Musk has stated that the company plans to build Model Y manufacturing at the Gigafactory Berlin in October, assuming the company receives final government approval. To put its Gigafactory Berlin proposal to production, Tesla has faced some difficulties negotiating with the German bureaucracy. The Model Y was supposed to go into production at the facility in July, but there have been delays, much to everyone's surprise. Tesla has lately stated that production will begin before the end of the year. Musk has complained that German restrictions have made it difficult for Tesla to get the facility up and to run. Instead of accumulating regulations, he suggested that they be reviewed regularly to assess their usefulness. Fans of Tesla who've been eagerly waiting for this model to launch agree that there are too many restrictions in the country. It seems that inventing something new is easier technologically than eliminating bureaucracy in Germany. Well, what can we say? Every country has its rules. The Model Y is designed to be the first car built at Gigafactory Berlin. It will have a redesigned body with additional mega casting pieces and a structural battery pack. The Model Y, manufactured at the new factory, according to Musk, will be a manufacturing revolution in the auto industry. Yes, this model will bring a change in the automobile field. Keep watching the video for more details. You will enjoy it. In the meantime, Tesla delivers Model Y vehicles from China, with the first delivery scheduled for next month. But there's some good news too. In October, Tesla had a large party at its new Berlin-Brandenburg Gigafactory, with Tesla CEO Elon Musk in attendance, a few weeks ahead of the projected start of Model Y production. Visitors went on a tour of the mostly finished plant. A few got a glimpse of the assembly line and even mock-ups illustrating the long-awaited structural battery pack for the 4,680 cells. Tesla is set to start putting these cells into its cars shortly. The battery cell packs can lower vehicle weight by using fewer parts while still providing higher energy density and a more extended range. The Model Y is likely to improve extensively once these structural battery packs begin, while also losing some weight. However, as the business has intimated in recent months, the Model Y's expected production will start in Berlin, and the initial appearance of these cells may not coincide. Aside from the Model Y, this battery pack is slated to be used in the future Cybertruck, with Tesla saying during the summer that the battery pack's readiness has caused the start of Cybertruck manufacturing in Austin to be delayed. Model Y production in Berlin may probably continue with the current battery pack architecture for a while. As we have told you, the plant has yet to receive approval from German authorities. Musk has referred to this situation as bureaucratic hell. Still, it's worth noting that the plant was built mainly during the pandemic, making its completion a significant milestone for the company's European ambitions. It will be the first Tesla plant in a European country. But not only permits, this plant has also faced other issues. Environmentalists protested the plant because it was built in a forested area near Berlin, an uncommon location for vehicle production in Western Europe. The building of the plant necessitated forest removal measures, prompting concerns about other viable sites in the Berlin area that did not require such measures. Several issues have been raised concerning the proposal, including potential effects on the water supply and local animals and proper wastewater disposal. Reptiles, ants and birds are among the forest's inhabitants, and they must be evacuated before the trees are felled. There may be an endangered bat species. The district forester who planted trees said that bats prefer to sleep in more than 80-year-old trees. However, Musk has expressed his dissatisfaction with German laws and processes, writing to authorities in April that the country's complicated planning requirements were at odds with the urgency required to combat climate change. The facility will make multiple electric cars each year and create 50 gigawatt-hours of battery capacity, more than any other plant in the country, once it is up and operating. These automobiles will eventually benefit the environment. Even with all these issues, it is stated that production at the plant is planned to begin in a few weeks, possibly as early as the end of November, with the Model Y set to roll off the assembly line. However, production is not likely to ramp up until around a year, with Elon Musk estimating a weekly production capacity of 5,000 to 10,000 vehicles. So guys, it is not long enough to see Model Y on the streets. Tesla will soon rely on local production rather than importing cars from the Shanghai facility or the United States, thanks to the planned completion of the Berlin-Brandenburg plant. However, until a battery plant in Europe is entirely operational, exports from Shanghai will continue, and batteries will be acquired from its Chinese facilities. Musk's pre-approvals from local authorities to build without final approval are legal. Still, German companies rarely use them because of the risk. If final permission isn't granted, Tesla will have to pay to demolish everything. But don't worry, this will not happen. You just have to wait a bit more to see Model Y in action.